Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Feb, and today we're going to talk about the Loungefly backpack for the Great Hall. I love Loungefly. I only have one of their bags. It's actually behind me hanging on the door, and it's magical books. The one above it is a Danielle Nicole Ravenclaw bag. I would collect these Loungefly bags every day of the week if I could afford it. However, they are quite expensive. They range in price. I got mine from Geek Core. They have a sale on at the moment, so they have some beautiful Loungeflies on there. Whether it will still be going when I upload this video, I don't know. It'll probably be around New Year's Day-ish that this goes up. So worth checking out anyway, or any other place that sells Loungefly. If you can get them for a deal, I would highly recommend it. They're very well made. They're not leather, but I think they'll last you quite a long time. I've had that outside that book bag for about a year and used it a lot, and it's been absolutely brilliant. It still looks brand new. All right then, so this is what we're talking about today. Oh my goodness, right? This is one of their newest bags, so let me show you close up. Okay, so here's the back. Check it out. We've got a beautiful Hedwig picture here with the Hogwarts crest, the faux leather straps with nice gold hardware, and this is, I mean, I've literally just opened this and I'm so thrilled with it. On one side here we've got the windows. Isn't that lovely? And then Loungefly again on the hardware, and then we come around to the front, which is just wow, right? Look at that. Oh my goodness. So we've got the Loungefly plaque at the top, and then the Great Hall. And then on the other side, again, more windows. These are both pockets, so super useful. And then we've got one enormous pocket like this, and this is super nice. There's a pocket inside as well here, and it's deep. You can get plenty of stuff in there. The only thing I would say is that we've got all this stuff that can come out. Don't need any of that, thank you very much. And then we also have a front pocket here, and it has a secret. So check this out. So much fun. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, really? That is brilliant, right? You're not going to get lost in the shops. There's not going to be many people with light up handbags walking around, let's face it. Alright, so there it is, the Loungefly Harry Potter Great Hall bag. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll call that the end of this wee video, and I will see you soon for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody.